ito yung lambot siya, guys. Wow, guys, ang lambot niya. Look, guys. In case na nilagay natin, ano? Ang lambot niya, guys, oh. Lambot. Hi guys, kumusta kayo? Welcome po sa another episode ng Dave Mar TV, guys. Today we're making no oven bread with cheese inside, no? So let's proceed, guys, with this preparing the ingredients. Isip natin ng 3 cups plus 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Sisip natin siya. Then add tayo ng 2 teaspoon plus 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast, no, guys? Instant dry yeast. Mag-add tayo ng 1 teaspoon ng iodized salt. Then mix nyo din. Add tayo ng 2 teaspoon ng sugar. Mix nyo. Tapos guys, mag-add tayo ng ating 1 cup fresh milk. Pwede kayong guys gumamit ng evap milk or actually pwede ring water, no? Pwedeng 1 cup of water, lukewarm water. Stir nyo lang. Stir and combine with the flour mixture. Then guys, start kneading using your hands. Wash your hands first with soap and water. Just add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Pwede kayong gumamit ng vegetable or canola oil. Then knead nyo. Then add again another 1 tablespoon of oil. Maglagay tayo ng konting flour. Ilalagay ko, guys, 3 sandwich cheese slice. Pwede kayong gumamit ng grated cheese, 1 cup. Guys, ito, no? Put some oil. Mga 1 teaspoon. One egg yolk to, guys, no? Beat lang natin. Pang degrease natin dun sa top ng bread. So ito, guys, no? Check natin after 35 minutes. So yan, guys, double size siya. Over niyo siya. Make sure na walang hole, no? Sealed yung, completely sealed yung ating fan. Then, ilagay niyo sa low, from medium low to low yung inyong. So, to guys, check natin after 15 minutes. Guys. So, looks good, no? So, i-flip na natin siya. So guys, after 15 minutes now. Yan guys. Natin siya. Guys, ito yung ating bread, no? Lagyan natin siya ng butter. Before natin siya i-slice. Guys, slice na natin yung bread natin. Guys, hindi ano siya, no? Hindi yung ano niya. Ito yung lambot siya, guys. Wow, guys, ang lambot niya. Pinkies na nilagay natin, ano? Ganda, guys, oh. And cheese. So guys, ito ang ating bread, no? With cheese filling. And guys. So guys, ang ating freshly baked. Ang lambot niya, guys, oh. Wow! Lambot niya, guys. Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap niya. Lambot. So guys, hope you like this episode, no? At sana huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-click ng subscribe button natin at paki-hit na rin ang ating bell button and select all para ma-update ko kayo sa ating mga ma-monitor at ma-notify kayo pag may mga bago kaming upload na video. So guys, please don't forget to like and share also. Paano hanggang sa muli po. Mag-ingat po tayong lagi and God bless. Bye-bye! Ito yung... Ito sa'yo, bed. Oh. Wow. Approve ba? So guys, oh, pwede nyo rin i-business to. Ang labag ng tilapay. Ang sarap.